Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will study about the alcohol, its introduction and acute poisoning of alcohol. Alcohol is an inebriant poison. Inebriant poisons. This group of poisons is characterized by two sets of symptoms: excitement and narcosis. The stage of excitement being well marked in someone and that of narcosis in others. The classical inebriant is alcohol. Now we will see these are the some groups of inebriant poisons: inebriant alcohol, anesthetics, sedatives and hypnotics, agrochemical compounds, and deliriant and datura. We will study only about alcohol. Inebriant alcohol. This word alcohol comes from the Arabic alcohol, which is a fine metallic powder used in the fast to stain the face and eyelids. The name was later extended to mean any powder produced by irritation, titration, and sublimation. And then this was named to a fluid obtained by distillation. Its properties are ethanol or ethyl alcohol. It is a transparent, colorless, volatile liquid having a characteristic odor and a burning taste with a specific gravity of 0.79. It is produced by the enzymatic action of yeasts on vegetable surface substrate containing sugars. At low doses, alcohol is said to have beneficial effects such as decreased rate of myocardial infarction, diabetes, stroke, gallstone, and possibly Alzheimer's dementia. But consumption of 2 drinks per day increases the risk of a health problem in many organ systems. It is used in different types of beverages. The percentage of alcohol in different beverages is as under: whiskey, brandy 42.875. It is percentage by volume. Then wines 8 to 15.5. Then country liquor 11.4 to 45.7. Its action: the ethyl alcohol acts mainly on the central nervous system. Initially, there is suppression of inhibitory neurons, causing paradoxical central nervous system stimulation. It then acts as depressant of specialized and sensitive cells of cerebral cortex, centers regulating conduct, judgment, and self-criticism. Then it is followed by depression of vital centers by medulla, producing coma and death. Alcohol also acts as a hypnotic, aphrodisiac, and in small doses as an appetizer. Now we will see its metabolism, absorption, distribution, excretion, etc. First of all, absorption. The factors which interfere with absorption are presence of food in stomach, it retards absorption. Strength of alcohol beverages taken, higher the strength, more rapid will be the rate of absorption. Then drugs like insulin or prostigmine increases the absorption, while atropine drugs delays the absorption. If there is chronic gastritis, it retards absorption. Then carbonated drinks retard absorption. Then warm alcoholic drinks, this increase the absorption, while iced drinks decreases. Its distribution and detoxification in the body. After absorption, the concentration of alcohol in the blood reaches a maximum in about 45 to 90 minutes after ingestion. Ethanol is distributed evenly throughout the body, passing the blood-brain barrier easily to affect cerebral function. 90% of absorbed alcohol is oxidized in the liver by alcohol dehydrogenase, the remaining 10% being excreted mainly by the kidney, lungs and skin. Some of the alcohol is converted to other substances such as fat, as in beer belly. Non-habituated person metabolize ethanol at 13 to 25 milligram per deciliter per hour, while in alcoholics this rate increases to 30 to 50 milligram per deciliter per hour because of tolerance. Blood alcohol concentration must be interpreted in conjunction with history and clinical presentation. Then its excretion. Alcohol is mainly excreted by the kidney, lung and skin through urine, breath and sweat respectively. It is also secreted in saliva and milk. Then we will see now the acute alcohol poisoning. Its sign symptom has three stages. First is stage of excitement. In this, the blood level of alcohol is 50 to 150 milligram per 100 of blood, ml of blood. A person will be euphoric, sense of well-being. Number two, action, speech and emotions are less restrained. He may perform dancing, thrilling shows carelessly and fearlessly. He might disclose secrets. Person might show increase in confidence but lack of self-control. There may be nystagmus. Mental concentration is poor and judgment impaired. Faculty of attention deteriorates. Recall memory is disturbed. Person cannot accurately recall certain situations or names. It increases the desire for sex but markedly impairs performance. The second stage is a stage of incoordination. Blood level in this may be 150 to 250 milligram per 100 ml of blood. In this, due to further depression of higher centers, the person may be morose, irritable, ill tempered, excitable, and sleepy. Centers of perception and skilled movement are involved. There is incoordination of fine and skilled movement and alteration in speech and fine figures movements. Nausea, vomiting may be there. Sense of touch, taste, smell, and hearing are diminished. Hypothermia present. Breath smell of alcohol. Pupils are dilated and react sluggishly to light. Third stage is coma. In this, blood level is 250 milligram per 100 ml of blood or more. In this, there will be thick, slurred speech, coordination is markedly affected, pulse is rapid, hypothermia, pupils are contracted, but on stimulation of the person, as by pinching or slapping, causes them to dilate with slow return. It is called Massivon signs. Patient passes into coma with stertorous breathing. Recovery. About 30%, 5% of drinker may experience a blackout and episode of temporary anterograde amnesia in which the person forgets all or part of what occurred during a drinking session. With recovery, coma gradually lightens into deep sleep. Person will wake up in 8 to 10 hours with acute depression of mood, nausea, and headache. It is called alcohol hangover. But if the victim does not recover from coma within 5 hours, prognosis is bad and may result in death due to shock, depression of respiratory center, or aspiration or vomit. Its fatal dose in non-addicted persons, it is 150 to 250 ml of absolute alcohol consumed in 1 hour. Risk of death is increased if blood alcohol concentration increases 200 milligram per deciliter, and death is typical if the BAC is between 300 to 400 mg per deciliter. Fatal period is 12 to 24 hours. Its diagnosis, the distinctive smell of alcohol may assist in diagnosis. Confirmation is done by analysis of blood. Possibility of intoxication with other drugs should be considered, and or urine sample is indicated to screen. Its treatment, patient must be kept warm and placed in a quiet environment. Gastric lavage with alkaline solution within 2 hours of ingestion should be there. Then infusion of 1 liter of normal saline with 10% glucose and 15 units of insulin or 50% dextrose is given intravenously. Then thiamine 100 milligram in 500 ml glucose solution intravenously. Hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis may be used. In case of aggressive behavior, non-threatening force by intervention team or short-acting benzodiazepine such as lorazepam 1 gram orally may be used. In postmortem findings, clothes are deranged externally and may show stains of blood or vomitus. Bruises or other injuries may form. Odor of alcohol around the mouth and nose. Congestion of conjunctiva. Rigor mortis is prolonged and decomposition is retarded. Internally, odor of alcohol is usually encountered on opening the body, acute inflammation of the stomach with coating of mucus, all which are congested, and smell of alcohol. Blood is fluid and dark. Thank you.